Ever dreamt of running your own online store but felt intimidated by the whole inventory management thing? Spocket swooped in like a superhero, offering a dropshipping solution that lets you focus on sales while suppliers handle the pesky storage and shipping. But wait, a customer just placed an order. How do you, the mastermind behind this e-commerce empire, fulfill it using Spocket? Don't worry, because fulfilling Spocket orders is a breeze, and this video will be your trusty guide. Before we dive in, a quick Spocket refresher. For those new to Spocket, it essentially connects your online store with a network of suppliers who store and ship products directly to your customers. You don't have to worry about keeping stock or handling physical shipments yourself. Pretty neat, right? Alright, let's fulfill that order. Here's where the magic happens. We'll assume you've already integrated Spocket with your online store and have a customer order waiting. Head to Spocket HQ, your dashboard. First things first, log into your Spocket dashboard. This is your central hub where you'll manage all things Spocket related. Orders, the command center. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with various options. Click on Orders. This is where you'll find a list of all your incoming orders, including the spanking new one you need to fulfill. Unpacking the order details. Each order will display information like the customer's name, shipping address, the items ordered, including quantity, and most importantly, the order status. Initially, it will likely say unpaid. This means you haven't yet placed the order with the supplier. Checkout time, don't worry, it's not your wallet we're raiding. Yet. Click on the order you want to fulfill. Here, you'll get a detailed breakdown of the products, their individual costs, and the total amount you need to pay the supplier. Spocket will also calculate the shipping cost based on the customer's location. Customization corner, optional but helpful. This step is optional, but it can add a nice touch. You can add any internal notes for the supplier in the designated section. Maybe there are specific packaging instructions or a message for the customer you want to include. Placing the order, let's get this ball rolling. Once you're happy with everything, click the glorious checkout button. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to confirm the order details and then, bam! The order is placed with the supplier. Order status update, from unpaid to in the works. Now, head back to your order list. You'll see the status of your order has changed from unpaid to something like processing or awaiting fulfillment. This means the supplier has received your order and is getting things ready to ship to your customer. Spocket keeps you in the loop. Spocket will keep you updated on the order's progress through email notifications. You'll know when the supplier ships the order and receive a tracking number so you can keep your customer informed. Bonus tip, spoil your customers, just a little. While Spocket takes care of the core fulfillment process, you can add a personal touch by including a branded thank you note or a small discount for future purchases in the package. Remember, you're the shop superstar. Even though Spocket handles the heavy lifting, you're still the face of your store. Communication is key. Keep your customers updated on the order status and be responsive to any questions they might have. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep on rocking those Spocket sales.